healthy winter soup series. Today I'll be showing how to make a very nutritious and delicious chicken soup. Hello friends, this is Tiash from California. Hope you all are doing good. We are also doing well. Today I thought to prepare some healing winter soup and I want to share the recipe with you guys. But before we jump to the cooking, let me reintroduce myself with you. I'm very thankful that so many new members subscribe to my channel. This gave me more support and inspiration to make more video for you guys. I am Tiash. I live in California with my family. I am an experienced and certified health coach. I'm practicing health coaching from last 8 years. Here is my website. You can visit for more detail to know more about me and my work experience. And feel free to reach out to me if you think I'm the right fit for your health goal. Thank you. Well, now let's make the soup. For that, we need some spices. Here I have taken some whole peppers, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, of course salt, according to the taste, some boneless thigh cut into small cubes, big mushroom, 6 pieces I have taken, some green bell peppers or capsicum, mixed vegetables, onion, ginger and garlic. Now let me tell you a rough measurement. I have taken almost 100 grams of boneless chicken thigh. That is enough for soup for 3 people. I have taken 6 big butter mushroom, 1 cup of chopped green bell pepper. This is a whole small green pepper, 1 cup of frozen mixed vegetable, half purple onion that was small in size, 4 or 5 pieces of garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger. And for the spices, I have taken 1 teaspoon of whole pepper and 1 cardamom, 1/4 inch of cinnamon and few cloves. That's it, friends. Now let's make the soup. Mushrooms have enormous health benefit. It can decrease the risk of cancer, lower our sodium intake, promote lower cholesterol, protect the brain health. It is a great source of vitamin D and stimulate a healthier gut and also support a healthy immune system. That's why I added mushroom in this chicken recipe, and I am using ghee or clarified butter to cook this soup. Trust me friend, ghee is the most beneficial fat that you can use in your Indian style cooking, and I make this ghee at my home. While waiting my ghee to be melted, I grated some ginger and garlic. Now I am adding the whole spices in the melted ghee. Now I'm gonna cook the whole spices in the ghee for about 30 to 40 seconds. And then I'm gonna add the ginger garlic that I grated, and I will cook it until the raw smell will go away. Next I'm gonna add all the veggies one by one. First I'm adding the onions and I'm gonna cook it for a little bit. I will not wait for the browning stage. I will just wait for few minutes so that it can become little bit translucent. Next I'm adding the green bell peppers, or in India we call it capsicum. I will just cook it for 1 minute because I don't want to overcook my veggies. Now I'm gonna add my frozen vegetables inside it. I have carrots, French beans, green peas and sweet corn inside it. I always keep this frozen vegetable inside my freezer to save my time, and I can add lots of vegetables in my every meal. We are gonna blend these vegetables, so if you have any fussy eater, in your family who don't like to eat the vegetables, this is the perfect recipe. They will not understand how many different types of vegetables inside it, and they will eat it because of its delicious taste. Now I am adding the thinly sliced mushrooms in it, and I am gonna cook it for about 5 minutes or until the mushrooms turn little bit brown. Now you can see it's almost ready. Now I'm gonna take out few mushrooms from this mixture and I will put them on the top of the soup because I like to taste its texture, soft, gooey, when I will eat my soup. Now it's time to add some water. I'm adding some cold water because I'm gonna blend it with my hand blender. For my vegetarian friend, if you make up to this, you have already made a healthy cream of mushroom soup. And for the protein choice, later you can add some paneer or tofu if you want. But today I'm going to show this with chicken. But feel free to add your choice of protein and make it non-vegetarian or vegetarian according to your choice. Now I'm gonna add some hot water inside it to make it into a soupy consistency. It will be a little thick soup since we blended everything already. So you don't have to add any corn flour or something like that to make it thick later. At this point I am adding all my chicken pieces and salt to taste. Now I am gonna add about 1 teaspoon of vinegar, but it's completely optional. I like little bit sour taste in my soup, that's why I added it. Now I'm gonna stir everything together and let the magic happen. I'm gonna pressure cook it for 6 minutes and then I will keep the lid closed until all the steam evaporates. And it's ready and it smells like heaven. Don't trust my words, just make it and see what I am telling, everything is true. You have to believe me after you make it. You might have the question why I used my hand blender instead of using my mixer blender. The answer is because I like to have some intact vegetables in my soup, not everything blended. Dinner. Are you gonna make it, friends? Please comment below. Thank you. I will see you with another healthy soup recipe.